Welcome back to Ride Radar, the channel that takes you inside the world of cars, motorcycles and all things performance. We bring you the deepest reviews, the most detailed insights and the kind of storytelling that makes you feel like you are experiencing these machines firsthand. With every video our goal is to share not just the technical aspects but the emotion, the passion and the culture surrounding the vehicles that shape our automotive and motorcycle future. Today we are diving into one of the boldest moves ever made by an Italian manufacturer that has defined supercars for decades. Lamborghini has finally stepped into the world of motorcycles with its first ever superbike in 2026. This is more than just a new product launch, it is a turning point in the story of Lamborghini, a moment where the raging bull extends its dominance from 4 wheels to 2. The idea of a Lamborghini motorcycle has lingered in the imaginations of enthusiasts for decades. Car lovers and bike lovers alike often speculated what such a machine would look like, sound like and perform like. Some concept sketches and design studies teased the possibility, but the brand always stayed focused on its supercars, SUVs and limited edition hypercars. But as the world of performance mobility evolves, as brands expand their presence across different segments, Lamborghini has taken a leap into the superbike universe with a motorcycle that is as extreme as its cars. The 2026 Lamborghini Superbike is not an experiment, it is a full production-ready flagship that combines Italian artistry with motorsport engineering. The first impression of this motorcycle is visual impact. Lamborghini has always been a design-driven brand where every line, curve and surface is sculpted to both look dramatic and function with purpose. The Superbike carries this philosophy faithfully. When you see it from the front, the headlight signature is unmistakably Lamborghini. A razor-thin LED strip forms the eyes of the machine, angled aggressively within a sharply pointed fairing. The entire bodywork is hewn from carbon fiber with aerodynamic channels, winglets and intakes seamlessly integrated. The sides are dominated by bold hexagonal patterns that reference Lamborghini's design language seen in models like the Revuelto and Huracan Tecnica. The rear of the bike is minimalist, a floating tailpiece perched over the rear wheel tapering into sharp fins that double as aerodynamic stabilizers. The stance is low, muscular and futuristic, leaving no doubt that this is a superbike born from the same bloodline as Lamborghini's fiercest supercars. Underneath the striking body is a chassis built for precision and lightness. The frame uses a lattice structure combining titanium with forged carbon composites, a material Lamborghini pioneered in the automotive world. This structure achieves immense rigidity while keeping overall weight under 180 kilograms, which is astonishing considering the level of technology packed into the bike. The single-sided swingarm, a design flourish familiar to exotic motorcycles, highlights the rear wheel, which itself is a forged magnesium piece wrapped in specially developed Pirelli Diablo Supercorsa rubber. The wheels are designed not just for strength but also for airflow management, helping cool the massive Brembo brakes and enhancing stability at speed. The heart of the motorcycle is where Lamborghini truly demonstrates its ambition. Powering the 2026 Superbike is a 999cc V4 engine developed with input from racing engineers. This powerplant produces around 230 horsepower at peak revs, placing it among the most powerful production superbikes in existence. The engine is naturally aspirated, maintaining the purest thrill of raw mechanical performance, but it employs advanced technologies such as variable valve timing, plasma-coated cylinder liners and lightweight forged pistons. The result is blistering acceleration, a top speed north of 210 miles per hour and a power delivery that feels linear yet explosive. The exhaust system, made entirely of titanium, is tuned to deliver a note that carries the unmistakable theatricality of a Lamborghini supercar, deep, resonant and spine-tingling at high RPM. The sound alone is enough to raise hairs on your neck. Performance numbers are as breathtaking as the styling. 0 to 60 miles per hour is achieved in under 3 seconds with seamless gear changes provided by a 6-speed sequential quick shifter. A slipper clutch ensures smooth downshifts even when braking hard into corners, and the gearbox can be configured for both street and race modes. This dual personality allows riders to experience the superbike as a thrilling road machine or unleash it fully on a racetrack where it was clearly engineered to dominate. Lamborghini has not ignored electronics in this superbike. On the contrary, the 2026 Superbike features one of the most sophisticated rider assistance suites available today. A 6-axis IMU constantly monitors lean angles, braking force, acceleration and pitch, allowing the onboard computer to make millisecond adjustments to traction control, cornering, ABS, wheelie control and engine braking. Riders can choose from multiple riding modes including street, sport, track and a customizable mode where every parameter can be adjusted manually. Launch control ensures maximum acceleration from a standstill, while advanced stability control systems allow riders to explore the limit with confidence. The suspension setup is equally advanced. At the front, fully adjustable electronically controlled Öhlins forks manage damping and preload with automatic adaptation based on riding conditions. At the rear, a single electronically controlled shock works with the carbon titanium swingarm to maintain stability and precision through corners. The entire suspension system can be switched from plush road comfort to race track stiffness at the push of a button. Braking performance matches the speed potential. Carbon ceramic discs paired with Brembo-style calipers deliver extraordinary stopping power without fade. Even during extended track sessions, the system is tuned to work seamlessly with cornering abs, ensuring stability and control when braking while leaned over. Step into the cockpit and you are reminded that this is a Lamborghini first and a motorcycle second. The TFT digital display is a work of art inspired by the dashboards of Lamborghini cars. It provides real-time data including rev speed, lean angle, tire pressure, lap times, GPS navigation, and even telemetry logging. Riders can connect smartphones for calls, music, and notifications, but the emphasis remains firmly on performance. The interface is customizable, allowing riders to select different display layouts from a minimal road mode to a full racing mode with lap timing and sector splits. Connectivity extends to cloud services where riding data can be stored and analyzed, with apps for performance review or sharing achievements with the community. The riding position is aggressive but ergonomic. Clip-ons and rear sets are adjustable, allowing riders to tailor the bike to their body type and riding style. The seat is upholstered in a mix of Alcantara and eco-friendly leather with Lamborghini embossing, while subtle stitching matches the chosen exterior color scheme. The details are nothing short of exquisite. Laser-etched logos, carbon fiber fuel tank inserts, and even backlit controls that glow in Lamborghini's signature Y motif at night. Customization has always been a key part of Lamborghini's appeal, and the Superbike continues this tradition. Buyers can choose from the full spectrum of Lamborghini's iconic paint colors: Verde, Mantis, Giallo, Orion, Arancio, Borealis, and beyond, as well as bespoke ad personam options for truly unique finishes. Two-tone liveries, racing-inspired graphics, and limited edition heritage schemes will ensure that every owner can make their bike a personal statement. Special editions are already planned, celebrating Lamborghini's history with designs inspired by legendary cars like the Miura Countach and Aventador, making these motorcycles instant collector pieces. On the performance side, the numbers are jaw-dropping, but it is the riding experience that truly defines the machine. Test riders report that the combination of explosive power, linear throttle control, and featherlight agility creates a feeling unlike any other motorcycle. The aerodynamic winglets generate measurable downforce, keeping the front end planted at triple-digit speeds. The light chassis allows for razor-sharp turn-in, while the advanced electronics act as an invisible safety net, allowing riders to push harder than they otherwise might dare. Yet the bike never loses its soul. This is not a sterile machine dominated by computers. It feels alive, angry and eager, demanding focus and rewarding skill exactly as a Lamborghini should. From a cultural perspective, this superbike is monumental. Lamborghini is not just entering the motorcycle world, they are reshaping it. Just as their supercars changed perceptions of what an exotic car could be, this superbike challenges the industry to aim higher. The symbolism of the raging bull now appearing on two wheels cannot be overstated. For decades, Ducati, MV Agusta, and Aprilia represented Italian excellence in motorcycles. Now Lamborghini joins the ranks, bringing its supercar DNA into direct competition with these storied brands. The impact is immediate. Fans across the world are already speculating on track battles, collector values, and the cultural significance of owning Lamborghini's first motorcycle. Ownership of such a machine comes with practical considerations. Lamborghini has developed a support network to ensure the superbike is maintained at the highest level. Service intervals are optimized by predictive diagnostics that monitor wear and performance in real time. Dealers trained specifically for this motorcycle provide specialized maintenance and upgrade programs. Owners are also invited to exclusive track events where they can experience the bike under the guidance of professional riders. Lamborghini plans to build a global community around the superbike, just as they have for their cars, creating clubs, events, and meetups that bring riders together. Price-wise, the 2026 Lamborghini Superbike is positioned as an ultra-premium product. It costs significantly more than mainstream superbikes, but this is expected given its exclusivity, craftsmanship, and performance. Limited production numbers ensure rarity, making it a collector's item from the very beginning. Resale values are projected to remain strong, particularly for special edition models. With its blend of extreme performance and cultural significance, this is not just a purchase, it is an investment in history. Beyond performance and exclusivity, Lamborghini has also considered sustainability. While this first superbike relies on a traditional combustion engine, the company has engineered it to meet strict emission standards and incorporated lightweight, eco-friendly materials into its construction. A hybrid version is rumored to be in development, and a fully electric Lamborghini motorcycle could arrive in the next decade. This signals Lamborghini's awareness of the need to evolve while still giving enthusiasts the visceral thrill of internal combustion for as long as regulations permit. As we step back and view the 2026 Lamborghini Superbike in its entirety, it becomes clear that this machine is a landmark moment. It represents Lamborghini's ability to expand its identity while staying true to its core values of bold design, extreme performance and unfiltered emotion. It is not merely a motorcycle, it is an extension of the Lamborghini lifestyle and philosophy. For those who ride, it will offer an experience unlike anything else on the road or track. For those who collect, it will stand as a prized possession, marking the moment Lamborghini unleashed its power on two wheels. For the motorcycle industry, it is a challenge and an inspiration, reminding everyone that innovation, passion and daring design can create machines that transcend categories. This has been Ride Radar, bringing you a comprehensive review of one of the most exciting debuts in recent memory, the 2026 Lamborghini Superbike. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more reviews, insights and explorations into the vehicles that shape our future, make sure to subscribe to Ride Radar. Your support allows us to continue delivering long-form content on the cars, motorcycles and machines that inspire passion and push boundaries. Subscribe now and stay tuned for more incredible stories right here on Ride Radar.